All right, as we track the latest from the national capital, we will, of course, keep you abreast with all the updates on the Delhi Chief Minister. But I want to shift now to our top story here on 6 p.m. Prime, and that is on the decision on who will be the new Chief Election Commissioner. He's been appointed. Gyanesh Kumar has been, in fact, named as the new Chief Election Commissioner by a panel that had Prime Minister Modi, that had Home Minister Amit Shah, and the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. So essentially, 2 versus 1 in that panel. And that's why Rahul Gandhi shot off a dissent note, making it very clear that he believes this kind of a decision can't be taken by a panel when there's already a case in the Supreme Court in this matter. Remember, the top court had set up a panel where the CJI was part of the committee. That was then overruled with a law that replaced the CJI with a union minister, and hence the panel of Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Shah, and Rahul Gandhi. Let's break down for you all the reactions in our next report.
The new face of India's Election Commission. Gyanesh Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner. This is the first appointment of a CEC under the new law for Election Commission members, and his tenure will run till January 26, 2029. Under Gyanesh Kumar, the poll body will hold 20 assembly elections and conduct president, vice president polls in 2027. His term ends just ahead of the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. Gyanesh Kumar was picked after a meeting of the selection panel, which included Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who chaired the meeting and approved the appointment, as well as Home Minister Amit Shah, who is his cabinet member of choice for the panel, while leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi opposed the decision. Calling the appointment a disrespectful and discourteous midnight call by the Prime Minister and Home Minister, Rahul Gandhi questioned why the CEC was chosen ahead of the Supreme Court hearing on petitions challenging the new law.
आपने एक प्रकार से जो एक गरिमा है, जो एक आत्मा है, जो अक्षर से आगे होती है, जो उद्देश्य है, जो धारणा है गणतंत्र की, उसकी अवमानना ही नहीं की, उसको आपने एकदम नकार दिया है। सिर्फ किस लिए? 48 घंटे, 1 हफ्ते या 2 हफ्ते के लिए। ये अगर ईगो नहीं तो क्या है?
The BJP claims the appointment was done following due process.
कांग्रेस के मित्रों की तकलीफ ये है कि देश प्रगति पर जा रहा है और उन्हें देश की प्रगति से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, इसीलिए हर विषय पर वो इस प्रकार का अनर्गल प्रलाप करते हैं। इससे साफ तौर पर उनकी बेचैनी जाहिर होती है।
The Supreme Court, in a judgment in 2023, has ruled that the Election Commission appointment panel will have the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition, and the Chief Justice of India as its members. The court said the appointment process will continue till the government brings a new law. In a bill that was passed in Parliament soon after, the selection panel was rejigged, replacing the CGI with a cabinet minister nominated by Prime Minister. The Supreme Court will be hearing pleas against the changes in the EC selection panel's composition on February 19th. Bureau Report, India Today.